Put the oil on the pan.
What?
Put oil. Okay.
How much?
A little bit lang. More? Okay. That's enough. And then,
Put the egg here.
no, not yet. Hindi pa po bukas yung ano mo. Open mo muna.
How?
This one. Push.
Put. I remember this. Push it.
Push it and then. Good.
Ah, oh.
More. One more.
Ah.
Faster! Don't be scared. Faster. Good job!
And there we go.
High five!
Put some
Good
egg.
job! Not yet. Let it be hot first. It should be hot. And then, if it's hot now, you can put the egg. Okay?
How much?
All of it.
Yeah. I think.
All of that. There's so many eggs. Look, it's half a bowl. I think it's big. It's gonna be big.
Will it be big?
Yeah.
Big, big.
Or you want a small portion. Let's make it 3.
I like a whole big portion.
Okay.
I've never tried the big portion of the scrambled egg before.
Okay.
Is it hot now? Do you have a thermometer?
No. It's okay even try mo. Is it hot? Lower. It's okay. Is it hot?
Almost.
Almost.
Looks too warm.
Dapat may mga activity ka ng ganyan. Para if wala si mama mo, kaya may sakit si lola mo, you can cook egg. Para may makain kayo ni Camila, okay? Oh, check it.
Next time you wanna try it, okay?
Oh, it's hot
It's
now.
hot now. Okay,
No.
yeah. Put it slowly, okay?
What if it's quick?
No, not quick. Kasi po, tatalsik sa'yo, mainit. Just slowly. Slowly. Good job. Good job, kuya.
Was it supposed to be that big?
Let's make it big. And then, scrape this one.
This thing?
Down.
Down. Down you go.
Down. Good job.
Look.
What's next? Let's cook this first.
That thing?
That egg.
Yeah, that egg.
Then while waiting, you can check it. Hold it. You can flip it. Like
Now?
this.
Right
No,
now?
like this. Like this. Don't flip it yet. Other one. Other side. Like that. So sometimes will go down. So it can be cooked. Okay.
And flip
This
it.
side. And the other side. Good job. Let it cook first. I'll scrape it down. Down.
Down, down, down.
Down.
100 girls to the world. Take down pieces with your eyes.
Scrape it down.
Over there. I just need some portion.
Is it big na? Is it big enough for you?
Yeah, it's a big enough.
Okay. And then, after this, you check it. Not yet. Other side.
Not yet.
Here. This one. Should I flip it like this?
I don't know.
Should
No. How about with the spatula?
Dito ba? Flip it. Carefully because it will break, okay? Careful. You can hold this. It's not hot. Careful. Careful. And then flip. Good job. The other side.
That looks fine.
Yay! It's full. Ang galing
chicken.
Oh, you can cook egg na.
Okay, and
Next time you will do it.
Okay.
I will guide you. Okay.
see how a guide works.
Good job.
Cook.
You cook egg.
I'm done.
You will be a chef na.
Egg chef.
Yeah.
Look at my first cook.
You show it to mama. Okay, mama look, I cook egg.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. I hope you can do the steps that Tita Levi showed me. If you don't know yet, please watch this video one more time.